Now this problem is very similar to your question number 4 on your activity that you're working on, solving equations, one-step equations. And so on this example, we have x plus 4 equals negative 10. And as always, we want our x to be isolated on one side of the equal sign. And in order to get that to happen, we need to get rid of that plus 4 that's next to the x. So the undoing of a plus 4 would be to subtract 4 from both sides of our equation. Again, it has to be on both sides of the equation to keep our equation equal or balanced. So if we have a plus 4 and then we subtract 4, that's going to give us 0 on the left side. So we only end up with an x. And then we still have our equal sign, of course, because it's the equation. And then on the right side of the equation, we have a negative 10 minus 4. So I'm owe $10 to my favorite cousin. And then I decide, oh, I also want to buy a plant for $4. So I already owe $10, and now I'm going to pay out $4. So totally, I'm now going to owe, that'll be negative $14. And just like we've done in previous problems, we can always check to make sure that our answer is correct by replacing the x in the original equation with a negative 14. So if we have negative 14, replace in the x place, plus 4, and I want to solve this equation. So I owe $14, and I have $4 in my pocket, so really I'm only going to owe $10. And that's what we get from the original equation, or it matches the original equation, so I know my answer of x equals negative 14 is correct.